This is Kenny the Handyman, and today I'd like to show you how to do a simple sprinkler head replacement. This sprinkler head, I dug it up because it was making when I tested it, it was gushing water out in front of it here. So, and the reason was because as I dug it out, I can see that this one is damaged. It looks like it got partially crushed. So I'm going to take that out and replace it with a new one. So this sprinkler head is a Hunter brand, and it is a 360-degree rotary spray head. And you can see it's crushed here. That's why the water couldn't come through here, and it was forcing it out the bottom, causing a flood at the front of the sprinkler. So I'm just going to untwist this and then put it into my new replacement sprinkler head. And when I attach it to the existing line that's there, I'm going to use a hose clamp. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my 90-degree adapter and screw it into the bottom of my sprinkler head. Okay. And then once I do that, I'm going to take my hose clamp and put it around the water line. And we got to make sure this fitting is nice and tight, so I need 2 hands for this. And then we're going to just take the sprinkler head and put the adapter into the water line, just like so. So my water supply line had a little bit of dirt inside it, which made it difficult to get this fitting in place. So I cleaned the dirt out, and I'm going to use a little trick here, spray it with a little lubricating oil. To make it easier to insert the line. I'll spray the end of the fitting as well. And that just slide in place. Much easier now. Now that I got the hose clamp tightened and the sprinkler adjusted so it's totally straight, I'm going to fill up the hole. And a trick you can use for digging and filling the hole is to get this special type of a narrow shovel. It's a landscape shovel, and then you won't be digging up as much of your grass. So we'll fill that up and test it out. From the control panel, I'm going to do a test. So we're going to do a zone test, and I got to figure out what zone this is. It's not that one. Mister's in front. Maybe it's that one. Let's try that one. All right, here we go. Looks like it's working. I can adjust the spray pattern on this. I'm just going to turn this thing. I think I said this was a rotary spray head, which is incorrect. This is actually a Mister spray head. Anyways, you can adjust it with a pair of channel locks and just turn it the direction you want the spray pattern to go, and you can adjust the top as well to make it a wider spray pattern. So I want this to be a 180 spray pattern. And there you go. I hope that helps.